Hello viewers, welcome to Varun Krishna Job Channel. Today we are going to see some interesting fresher job opportunity in a reputed organization. Let's see everything in detail in this video. Before that, as usual, I am just keep saying the same thing in my each video. So Varun Krishna Job Channel will provide you genuine tech job updates which is applicable for both freshers and experienced candidates. One who having the trust over me, then please do subscribe my YouTube channel to get the latest job notification. Also, in case if you feel whatever the job I just posted you which is very suitable for you, in that case please do not forget to share, like, and also please share the same to your nearby job seekers or freshers or whoever just looking for the change. Kindly share the same them as well. Yes, by watching that video at least they would get benefited, I hope. Yes, so let's see everything in detail in this video step by step. Let me show you the job details right away. Let's see, let's go and watch right away. Yes. This is our disclaimer card. I'm just keep saying the same thing in each video. I'm not the hiring person. I'm just sharing the job information to the job seekers. In case if anyone of the employer or anyone asks you to pay the money to get a job, please do not pay. It might be the fake one for sure. Also, I'm not the responsible for this. Okay, let's dive into this video. Yes, viewers, like I said, the company name is called redBus. redBus hiring fresher software engineer position. Let me show you everything in detail in this video. What is the position? What is the location? What is the qualification they are just looking for? So what are the skill set they are just looking for? Everything in detail in this video. Let's see one by one. Yes, the designation is called fresher software engineer, that associate software engineer, that is the designation. In case if you are getting this opportunity, you are going to be give this title only. Yes, what is the designation? Again, this associate software engineer, qualification BE, BTECH and MCA. They are just looking for experience. They are just looking for freshers. There is no experience required for this position. Just you should be a fresher without standing arrears. In case if you are having the any standing arrears, in that case you are not eligible for this position to apply. You are not eligible to apply this post. Okay. Yes, I hope everyone has cleared your academic, right? Then only you are just looking for the job change. Yes, viewers, let me show you that job details. What is the job description? They are just expecting from you. You should have a good knowledge in the OOPS concept as well as DSA and algorithms. Okay, these are product based companies. So redBus, you know very well, right? So very book ticket booking application, right? You know where you can able to book for all the kind of transportation over here. Yes, the good knowledge of IT technology language, anything like it's a Java, PHP, Android, OS, Python, Go language, etc. So the thing is whatever they are trying to say here, you should have a good knowledge in the any concept, that is a pillar, and as well as the DSA, data structure and algorithms. Okay. Additionally, they are just looking for one backend technologies. Either it is a Java, PHP, Android, iOS, Python, Go language or etc. You should have a good knowledge in any one of the backend language. Yes, viewers, that is the location is Bangalore, Karnataka. Obviously, the office is located in Bangalore, Karnataka. Let me show you what is the career link, how should you apply for this position, everything. Let's see one by one. Yes, viewers, I just given the description, just this link into my description box. You just click that link. Obviously, you are just navigated to their official career page. This is their careers page. See, you could see the job declaration here and the designation again. Like I said, associate software engineer. The experience they are just looking for 0 to 1 year of experience, which is coming under the engineering category. The location is Bangalore. You just go through, I'm just keep saying on my videos, right? You just go through about the position. So before you apply anything, so responsibilities they are just taking as a internship software developer engineer. Okay, you should be involved all the product development for all the phases. Okay, understanding of the business impact, you should be gathering the requirement, and you should have be a part of the design discussion, and you obviously are just part of the both production and development time, production deployment as well as the development time. So obviously they are just looking for good knowledge in OOPS concept, DSA. Okay, then you should have a good knowledge at least in any of the backend technology, like I said. So you should have some good knowledge in the SDLC, software development lifecycle. Okay, I think as a fresher, you might not get a good much of experience on these technologies, but at least you must know what is what. In case if you speaking about the interview perspective, you should know at least what is what. Okay, then we can able to give the answers confidently. Yes. So again the education qualification, they are just looking for BTECH, CSE, IT, EEE, and any other background. So even they are just considering for the mechanical background as well. So in that case, you never worry about this position. Simply you just do apply here. Click the apply button. Obviously just navigate to their again official page where you can able to sign up. Where you can able to do sign on in different mode, like either if you have an already account in the Gmail, please do log in with the Gmail account, or else you can have a LinkedIn account, you can sign in with the LinkedIn account. So further, if you have any clarification is required, please let me know. I hope we can able to do for all those things in yourself. In case if you're having any doubts to apply this position, or you having any suggestion, please raise a concern, please reach out to me. I'm just keep saying the same thing. Please reach out to me later 8 p.m. in every day. I'm ready to reply. I'm ready to resolve or your clarification. Okay, yours. Yes. All the best for this job, for all the job seekers, freshers. Yes, viewers, thank you so much by watching this video. I hope it would be very useful for you. So since you are looking for the product-based development companies, if you have a passion to work in the product-based companies, then redBus is the right opportunity. So it's very difficult to get the notification from the companies. So also they are just declared the fresher opportunities, right? It's a great chance for you guys. Again, I'm just saying, so some of the companies you do not need to check for anything, right? Straight away you can able to apply once you just go through the JD. So if everything if you are satisfied about the JD, then please do apply immediately without waiting, without wasting your time. You don't want to hesitate for anything, just simply do apply. Why? Because so also this very important thing, please you just stand out your resume. So because you are just competing with many lakhs of people, right? So in that case, your resume should be very unique and should be stand out across for all the job seekers. Okay, then only you are just getting some attention by the recruiters. They will just pick your resume, then they'll try to share the interview link, then you can try to crack the interview with your caliber. Okay, yes, viewers, thank you so much for watching this video. Again, I'm just saying, so Varun Krishna Job Channel always will provide you the genuine tech job updates, which is applicable for both freshers and experienced. Okay, in case if you're having trust over me, then do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to get the latest job notification. Also, kindly share the same to nearby job seekers, friends or colleagues who are looking for the fresher jobs as well as the experienced job. At least by watching this video, they will get some idea and clarity. So I'm just acting as a bridge between the employer and the organization. So I'm just collecting those information from different sources, then I'm just posting as a video. In case by watching this video, they will get some chance to apply this position. In case if they are get hired, then I would be very happy on behalf of you. Thank you, viewers. Thank you so much. Let's see the new job notification. Until then, bye. Signing off.